Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Easy Guide, and today we are going to show you how you can fix your TikTok shop products not showing. So let's go. At first you have to log in into your account, and then you have to click on profile, and then you have to click on these three lines on the right corner, and then go on settings and privacy. And from here you have to scroll down and you can see an option named report a problem. So from here you have to scroll down and you can see an option submit a report. So now you can report a problem here that the products are not showing on your TikTok shop. You can add some screenshots, or you can add any screen recordings, and then you can simply submit. So in 3 to 5 business days they will be contacting you back through email about this problem and it will be solved. So thanks for watching the video. I hope you liked it. So don't forget to like, share and press the bell icon.